नरश्चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये वेदे रामायणेश्चैव पुराणे भारते तथा आद्यौ चान्ते च मध्ये च हरि सर्वत्र गीयते मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपास्तमं वन्दे श्रीगुरुदिनतारिणे परमानन्दमाधवं परमानंद हे माधव पदुंगळुची मकरंद से मकरंद पान करी आनंदे बोल हरि हरि हरिंक नामे बांधवेळा पारी करिबे चकाडोळा से चकाडोळांक पयरी मनम रहु निरंतरे मनम निरंतरे रहु हा कृष्ण बोली जीव जाऊ हा कृष्ण बोली जाऊ जीव मते उद्धर राधाधव धर्म प्रज्जीत कैतपत्र परम निर्मस्रां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयमुलनं श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किंवा परीरीश्वर सद्य हृदय वरुध्य तेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिः तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरुगलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पीबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः अनर्थोपशमं साक्षात् भक्तियोगं अधक्ष्यते लोकस्य दानतो विध्वंसक्री सात्वत संगीतान् जस्यां वैश्रूयमाणायां कृष्णे परमपुरुषे भक्तिरुत्पद्यते पुंसस्वकमोहो भयापहा श्रीमद्भागवतं पुराणममलं तद्वैष्णवानां प्रियं यस्मिन् पारमहंसमेकममलं ज्ञानं परं गीयते तत्र ज्ञान विराग भक्ति सहित नैष्कर्म्यमाविष्कृतं तत्शृणन् सुपठन् विचारण परो भक्त्या विमुच्ये नर अर्थोऽयं ब्रह्मसूत्राणां भारतार्थो विनिर्णयो गायत्री भाष्य रूपसौ वेदार्थो परिबृणीत सर्व वेदेतिहासानं सारं सारं समुद्रतं सर्व वेदांत सारं हि श्रीमद्भागवतं इष्यते तद्रसामृत तृप्तस्य नान्यत्र सिद्ध्यति क्वचित् कृष्ण भक्ति रसस्वरूप श्री भागवत ताते वेदशास्त्र হইতে परम महत्व चारि वेद उपनिषदे যত কিছু হয় তার অর্থ লইয়া ব্যাস করিল সঞ্চয় যেই সূত্রে যেই রূপ বিষয় বচন ভাগবতে সেই রূপ শ্লোক নিবন্ধন জীবের নিস্তার লাগি সূত্র কইল ব্যাস মায়াবাদী ভাষ্য শুনিলে হয় সর্বনাশ যাও ভাগবত পড়ো বৈষ্ণবের স্থানে একান্ত আশ্রয় করো চৈতন্য চরণে ভাগবত যে না মানে সে যবন সম तार शास्त्र আছে जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु जमा श्रीमद्भागवतम the essence of all Vedas, Vedic literatures, Upanishads. One who has developed taste for it, the nectarian juice emanating from Srimad-Bhagavatam. One who has developed taste for it, he will never aspire for any other shastra. Srimad-Bhagavatam is Krishnera Sriyanga প্রেমময় ভাগবত কৃষ্ণের শ্রীঅঙ্গ তাহাতে কহেন যত গোপ্য কৃষ্ণ রঙ্গ কৃষ্ণ তুল্য ভাগবত বিভু সর্বাশ্রয় প্রতি শ্লোকে প্রতি অক্ষরে নানার্থ কয় is not mere book, it's as good as Krishna himself, and in every verse, every word, in every letter, there are many meanings. প্রেমময় ভাগবত কৃষ্ণের শ্রীঅঙ্গ তাহাতে কহে না যত গোপ্য কৃষ্ণ রঙ্গ চৈতন্য ভাগবত শ্রীল বৃন্দাবন দাস ঠাকুর said this thing. Bhagavad embodiment of prema. Premamidam tatradarana para. Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given this opinion. This Srimad Bhagavatam is the embodiment of prema. Prema Pumartha Mahan Prem Bhakti Tattva has been said here. Is Krishnera Sriyanga, is the body of Krishna. Tahate kohena jato gopya Krishna. All the confidential leelas of Krishna have been said here. দুই স্থানে ভাগবতের নাম শোনা যায়, এক গ্রন্থ ভাগবত আর এক কৃষ্ণ কৃপা পাত্র। In two places we hear the name Bhagavata. One is this book Bhagavata, another is Bhakta Bhagavata, devotee Bhagavata. Eko Bhagavata hoy Bhagavata Shastra, আর এক ভাগবত ভক্তি রসপাত্র। দুই ভাগবত দ্বারা যা ভক্তি রস তাহার হৃদয়ে তার প্রেমে হয় বস। Vrindavan Das Thakur says this thing in Chaitanya Bhagavata. One Bhagavata is book Bhagavata, another Bhagavata is Bhakta Bhagavata, is Bhakti Rasa Patra with a container of Bhakti Rasa. দুই ভাগবত দ্বারা যা ভক্তি রস তাহার হৃদয়ে তার প্রেমে হয় বসা। Krishna gives this bhakti rasa, the mellow of bhakti, through these two Bhagavatas, Grantha Bhagavata and Bhakta Bhagavata, and he himself becomes bound up with that name of bhakti. যাও ভাগবত পড়ো বৈষ্ণবের স্থানে একান্ত আশ্রয় করো চৈতন্য চরণে। মায়াবাদী ভাষ্য শুনিলে হয় সর্বনাশ। Mahaprabhu, Sriman Mahaprabhu has given us this caution. Don't go to Mayavadis. Don't listen their commentaries on Vedanta Sutra. Go to a Vaishnava, Bhakta Bhagavata, embodiment of Bhagavata. Hear Bhagavata from him. Study Bhagavata under his care or guidance. And completely take shelter at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Bhagavata is the incarnation, Vani incarnation of Krishna. Jenarupa Matsya Kurma Adi Avatar, Abhirabhav Tirobhav Janata Sovar. এই মতো ভাগবতকার কৃত নয়, আবির্ভাব তিরোভাব আপনিই হয়। Vrindavan Das Thakur says this thing in Chaitanya Bhagavata. There are innumerable incarnations of Lord Hari, like Matsya Kurma, fish incarnation, tortoise incarnation, Ram incarnation, Nrsimha incarnation, Vaman incarnation, innumerable incarnation. Similarly, Bhagavata is one of the incarnations of Krishna. Abhirabhav Tirobhav Janata Swavar. The incarnations appear and disappear. Similarly, Bhagavata appears and disappears. এই মতো ভাগবতকার কৃত নয়। In this way, Bhagavata is not written by anybody. It appears and disappears. So one question is here. It is said that Bhagavata is written by Srila Vyasadeva, Krishna Laipayana Vyasa, isn't it? It is written here. Vyasadeva Krishna Laipayana Veda Vyas, isn't it? How Vrindavan Das Thakur says, the Bhagavata কার কৃত নয়, আবির্ভাব তিরোভাব আপনিই হয়। Bhagavata is not written by anybody. It appears and disappears as other incarnation of Krishna appear and disappear. How can you account for it? Murali Krishna? Huh? Can anybody say? How can I account for it? What Vrindavan Das Thakur says, cannot do. This is Tattva Vichar, you understand? All our discourses are based on Tattva Vichar. Two types of considerations are there. One is Apart Vichar and other is Tattva Vichar. Apparent consideration and absolute consideration. But the Vaishnavacharyas, Gaudiya Vaishnava, their discourses are purely based on Tattva Vichar. Apart Vichar, the apparent consideration is condemned. Evam joveti tattva tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti samangiti Arjuna. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, one should understand Krishna in Tattva. Janma karmam same divyam. Evam joveti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti samangiti Arjuna. My birth or my appearance, my activities are not material. These are all transcendental. One who knows it in tattva, in truth, after quitting this body, he goes to me. There is no doubt, no punarjanma. He will never fall down here in this material world. There is no rebirth. One who knows in tattva. And human life is meant for it, to know Krishna and his leela activities in tattva. Do you understand? That is our goal of life. So this is Tattva Vichar. And what Vrindavan Das Thakur says, Jenarupa Matsya Kurma Adi Avatar Abhirbhav Tirobhav Janata Swavar. এই মতো ভাগবতকার কীর্তন হয়, আবির্ভাব তিরোভাব আপনিই হয়। So Bhagavad is one of the incarnation of Krishna. So it appears and disappears. It's not written by anybody. How can we account for it that it is written that Vedavas Krita? It is written by Vedavyas. Huh? How can account for it? Don't you know? There is one question again. How do these incarnations come? Accepting father and mother, they come. Isn't it? Huh? Krishna came accepting father and mother. Huh? Ram came, isn't it? Similarly, Bhagavata, one of the incarnation Krishna, it comes accepting Vasudev as his father and mother. Do you follow me? Huh? এই মতো ভাগবতকার কীর্তন হয়, আবির্ভাব তিরোভাব আপনি হয়। That's what he says. Do you understand? Accepting father and mother incarnations come. So I accepting father and mother, Vasudev as father and mother. So I accept and appears. Do you follow? This is a Tattva Vichar. ভাগবত যে না মানি সে যমন সম তার সাথে আছে জন্মে জন্মে প্রভু জন্ম। Doesn't accept Bhagavata, teachings given in Bhagavata, conclusions done in Bhagavata, is next one, Javan, is to be punished by Jamaraj life after life. We accept Bhagavata and we put it into practice, the teachings given in Bhagavata, thereby one will develop your Krishna Bhakti, get Krishna and make his life successful. Nitya Bharata Sevaya. Therefore, we have this program in all our ISKCON temples throughout the world. The founder Acharya, my dear spiritual master, Sri Srimati S. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Maharaj, has introduced this system, this program, daily program. Nitya Bhagavata, unfailing, no day, one day should not be missed, that Bhagavad Path Pravachan should be there. And all should come and attend here, Srimad Bhagavatam, take part discourses. Thereby, they will get the mercy of Sadhu and Shastra, Guru and Gauranga, develop their Krishna Bhakti and make their life successful. You understand? Grantaraj Bhagavatam ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Please come to the text. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, Chapter 19, text 6. Javai lasat Sri Tulasi Vimisra Krishnangri Renu Abhyadhi Kambu Netri Punati Lokanu Vayatra Sesan Kastang no Sevito Marisyamano Javai lasat Sri Tulasi Vimisra Krishnangri Renu Abhyadhi Kambu Netri Punati Lokanu Vayatra Sesan Kastang no Sevito Marisyamano. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. The river Ganges, by which the king sat to fast, carries the most auspicious water, which is mixed with the dust of the lotus feet of the Lord and tulsi leaves. Therefore, that water sanctifies the three worlds inside and outside, and even sanctifies Lord Shiva and other demigods. Consequently, everyone who is destined to die must take shelter of this river. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Maharaj Parikshit, just after receiving the news of his death, within 7 days, at once retired from family life and shifted himself to the sacred bank of the Jamuna river. Generally, it is said that the king took shelter on the bank of the Ganges. But according to Srila Jiva Goswami, the king took shelter on the bank of the Jamuna. Srila Jiva Goswami's statement appears to be more accurate because of the geographical situation. Maharaj Parikshit resided in his capital Hastinapura, situated near present Delhi, and the river Jamuna flows down past the city. Naturally, the king would take shelter of the river Jamuna because she was flowing past his palace door. And as far as sanctity is concerned, the river Jamuna is more directly connected with Lord Krishna and the Ganges. River Jamuna is more directly connected with Lord Krishna than the Ganges. Yeah. The Lord sanctified the river Jamuna from the beginning of his transcendental pastimes in the world. While his father Vasudev was crossing the Jamuna with the baby Lord Krishna for a safe place at Gokul on the other bank of river from Mathura, the Lord fell down in the river, and by the dust of his lotus feet, the river at once became sanctified. It is especially mentioned herein that Maharaj Parikshit took shelter of that particular river, which is beautifully flowing, carrying the dust of the lotus feet of Lord Krishna mixed with tulsi leaves. Lord Krishna's lotus feet are always besmeared with the tulsi leaves, and thus, as soon as his lotus feet contact the water of the Ganges and the Jamuna, the rivers became at once sanctified. The Lord, however, contacted the river Jamuna more than the Ganges. According to the Varaha Purana, as quoted by Srila Jiva Goswami, there is no difference between the water of the Ganges and that of Jamuna. But when the water of the Ganges is sanctified 100 times, it is called the Jamuna. Similarly, it is said in the scriptures that 1,000 names of Vishnu are equal to one name of Ram, and the 3 names of Lord Ram are equal to one name of Krishna. This is Tattva Vichar. Ganga and Jamuna. Here, my revered spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada Maharaj, given the clear-cut tattva that Maharaj Parikshit took shelter, that means he retired from his family, shifted them to the bank of Ganges. Some say that Maharaj Parikshit sat on the bank of Ganges. But Srila Jiva Goswami says, my spiritual master has quoted Jiva Goswami, that Maharaj Parikshit took the shelter on the bank of Jamuna. Because Jamuna passes just beside the palace, the capital of Maharaj Parikshit, the Hastinapura, that is present Delhi. And how there is no difference between the Ganges and Jamuna. He has quoted this Jiva Goswami statements. The Lord, however, contacted the river Jamuna more than the Ganges. According to Varaha Purana, as quoted by Srila Jiva Goswami, there is no difference between the water of Ganges and the Jamuna. But when the water of the Ganges is sanctified 100 times, it is called the Jamuna. You understand? I started this story how there was a debate between some pundits who is superior, Ganga or Jamuna. You understand? So that was brought to the court of Emperor Akbar, Mughal Badshah. You understand? And Jiva Goswami was Acharya at that time, Vaishnavacharya. So Jiva Goswami was called for, you understand, to decide. But Acharya says that should be accepted. Do you understand? But Jiva Goswami says, I can't leave Vrindavan. I want to stay at any other place than Vrindavan and spend the night. Only I'll spend night at Vrindavan. I can't spend the night any other place. So, Emperor Badshah sent horseman. At that time, no other system of communication was there. Buses, trains, or aeroplanes, nothing was there. So, Jiva Goswami came and said this thing in the court, in the presence of all pundits, that Jamuna Krishna Prayasi, Jamuna is much dearer to Krishna than Ganges. Do you understand? Prabhupada Maharaj has explained it nicely. How from the very birth of Krishna, appearance of Krishna, the Jamuna has been sanctified. When Vasudeva, his father, was taking baby Krishna to Gokul, the other side of Jamuna, and the Krishna fell down in the river, and by the dust of his lotus feet, the river at once became sanctified. Do you understand? Some say like that, or also some say also. And Vasudeva was carrying baby Krishna, carrying on his head. Do you understand? And crossing Jamuna, there's high flood, like in Jamuna, much water was there. So it swelled up, and tossed the lotus feet of baby Krishna is on the head of Vasudeva. Some say like that, or some say like that. Baby Krishna fell down, anyhow, sanctified. And all the pastimes of Krishna was in Brajabhumi pastimes were performed there in the bank of Jamuna. Do you understand? So Jamuna was more fortunate, more sanctified, and much dearer to Krishna than Ganges. So Ganges became Moras. Oh, I have no such fortune. So Bhaktavatsala Bhagavan is Bhaktavatsala, is dear to his devotees. So he fulfilled the desire of Ganges in Gauramatar, isn't it? So Lord Gauranga appeared in the bank of Mayapur Dham, that is situated in the bank of Ganga, Janhavi Tiravane. So Lord Gauranga's all activities, pastimes are performed in the bank of Ganga. Do you understand? That way, Lord fulfill the desires of Ganga. Anyhow, Jamuna river is more, the water of Jamuna is more sanctified than the Ganges. Jiva Goswami has said, quoted, the Baraha Purana, my spiritual master, he has mentioned this thing. Another point is there, that here it says, Krishnanghi Jabai Lasasri Tulasi Vimisra Krishnanghi Renu Abhyadhika Ambanetri. It is mixed with the tulsi leaf. You understand? Carries the most auspicious water, which is mixed with the dust of the lotus, feet of the Lord, and tulsi leaves. Tulsi is also Krishna Prayasi. As Jamuna is Krishna Prayasi, Tulsi is also Krishna Prayasi. Much dearer to Krishna. Therefore, Tulsi is always offered, the lotus feet of Krishna. You understand? Unless Tulsi is offered, when we offer prasad, bhoga, to Krishna, unless Tulsi leaves are offered, Krishna will never accept it. Isn't it? Because Tulsi is very dear to Krishna. How did, or how could Advaitacharya make Lord Gauranga appear in this planet? Yes. Yes. That is mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Mentioned when Advaitacharya first came, appeared, and saw the condition of the people in Kali Yuga, most degraded, sinfulness. His heart cried, how the people, the jivas in Kali Yuga, most degraded, sinful, is delivered unless Lord himself appears. So he promised, I must make the Lord appear. Otherwise, I won't be named as Advaitacharya. He took such promise. Bho, do you understand? And every day he was worshipping Salagram Sila. Do you understand? With the Ganges water, as he said, tulsi leaf. Do you understand? It's mentioned. Advaitacharya thought of this, that is Gautama Tantra Vachana. He thought of that. It appeared before him. Tulasi Jalamatrena Jalasya Tulasi Jalamatrena Jalasya Sulukena va Vikrinite Somatmanang Bhaktebhyo Bhaktavatsala. You are translating and quote Sanskrit. Do you understand? Tulasi dalamatrena jalasya chulukena va vikrinite somatmanam bhaktebhya bhaktavatsala. That is this Sanskrit verse. Huh? One tulsi leaf and a handful of Ganges water. If someone offers it to Krishna, Supreme Lord Krishna, with pure devotion, Krishna immediately becomes possessed by him. Possessed by him. Do you understand? He says that. This Gautama Tantravasan says, Aditya Acharya could understand the meaning and purport of this verse, so she was offering Ganges every day, Ganges water and tulsi leaf. Krishna ke tulsi dalo deo jai jana taruna sodhite Krishna kore no chintano tulo jalo tulo sira samo kichu ঘরে নাহি ধন তবে আত্মা বেচি করে ঋণের শোধন অত ভাবি আচার্য করেন আরাধন. This mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. কৃষ্ণকে তুলসী জল দেও যেই জন তার শরীরে কৃষ্ণ করেন আছেন. One who offers tulsi leaf, Ganges water every day to Krishna, Krishna becomes indebted to him. Do you understand? Indebted to him. He thinks, I cannot pay back the debt of this bhakta. I have no wealth to pay back the debt of this bhakta. What shall I do? Huh? You understand? He says, Jalatlasira sama kichu nahi ghare dhana. I have no wealth that will equal to this tulsi leaf and Ganges water. How can I pay back the debt of this devotee who offers this tulsi and Ganges water every day to me? I become indebted. তবে আত্মা বেচি করে ঋণের শোধন. All right, I'll give myself to him. All right, take me. Do you understand? In this way, pays back the debt. So Aditya Acharya adopted this method. And with thunderous voice every day calls, oh Lord, please descend, come down here. And this Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu descended. He said, Mahaprabhu said, one of the names of this Acharya is Nara. Nara, isn't it? It's a Nara Hunkar, the thunderous call of Nara. Shook me, my seat shook. Second, and my planet there, in spiritual sky. I couldn't stay there, so I got down here, descended here. He brought me here. This Bhakta Vatsalya of the Lord is very dear to his devotees. What is dear devotee says, desires, and Krishna, Supreme Lord, fulfills this. Aham bhakto paradhina asutantrai jija sadhvidasta hudaya bhakti bhaktadana priya. Ninth canto Bhagavatam. Yes, say it. Though I am supremely free, supremely independent, but I am dependent on my dear devotee. I have no independence. Wonderful. This is wonderful. It's Bhakta Vatsalya. Krishna is so dear to his devotees. Do you understand? What is dear devotee desires, that's fulfilled. It's Bhakta Vatsalya. Do you understand? When such a devotee, dear devotee of the Lord can make Lord descend here. Bhaktetsa upata rupaya paramatmane namo namo. Bhaktetsa upata. It's Bhakta Itsa. The will of a dear devotee. Desire of a dear devotee. Fulfilling the will of desire of a dear devotee. Lord descends here. Isn't it? Fulfilling the will of his dear devotee of the Acharya, he descended. And Krishna also descended when all his devotees calling, when they were persecuted, oppressed by the demons, they all cry and offer prayers. Do you understand? Brahma, the demigods, sadhus, Krishna descended. bhaktitsa upatarupaya, it said, by the will, fulfilling the will of his devotee, fulfilling the desire of his devotee, Lord descends. Such a dear devotee of the Lord can make Lord descend or appear. Do you understand? Such a devotee can make Lord appear. Any time, any place. Do you understand? But one question is there. We have specific period, specific time. The appearance of Lord is mentioned in Shastra, isn't it? Kalki will appear, will come at the end of Kali Yuga. Similarly, when Krishna will appear, when Ram will appear, Gauranga will appear, is mentioned in Shastra, isn't it? But how will it be that a dear devotee can make Krishna, Lord, appear at any place, at any time, and Krishna being Bhakta Vatsala, very dear to his devotee, intimate devotee, he appears. Do you understand? Fulfilling his will or desire. Guru, one who is Guru, is very dear devotee of Krishna. Intimate, Mukunda Prestha, is very dear to Lord Mukunda Krishna. Nikunja, you know, Ratikeri Siddhi, Jadali Virjukti Rapekenya, Tatradi Daksha, Dativallavasya, Bande Guru Sri Charanaravinda. Sakshat Dharitvena Samasta Sastri, Ruptastata Bhagyataiva Sadavi, Kintu Pravarjya Priyaiva Tasya, Bande Guru Sri Charanaravinda. Isn't it? Every day we offer this Guru Bhastaka. Sakshat Hari. Guru Bhagavatam is Guru Dev is Sakshat Hari. Is as good as Hari. Isn't it? Sakshat Dharitvena Samasta Sastri. All Shastras say. Vedic literatures it has been said. Is Sakshat Hari as good as Hari? What does it mean?
This day is Hari because he's doing the will of Hari. He's hard will.
Yes, there are two Bhagavans are there. Do you understand? Kintu Pravarja Priya, this is significant. Pravarja Priya, very dear to the Lord, very intimate to the Lord. Priyasya Sakhyu. Another verse is there in fourth canto. Priyasya Sakhyu. And Jiva Goswami has commented on it. When this word comes Priya, do you follow my word? You know Sanskrit? Priyasya Sakhyu. Do you understand? In Prasita Upakhyan it comes. It speaks about Lord Shiva. Shiva is of Vaishnavana Sambhu is very dear also. That Jiva Goswami has commented on it. When this word comes Priya, Priya means dear. One should understand is very intimate and they are of same level with the Lord. Do you understand? Avheda, there's no difference. I have to say, Sakshat Hari, Sakshat Dharitvena Samasta Sastri, as good as Hari. He is Bhagavan. But Krishna is Vishwa Vigraha Bhagavan, whereas his dear devotees are Asra Vigraha Bhagavan. Do you follow me? Vishwa Vigraha and Asra Vigraha Bhagavan. Therefore, Sakshat Hari is servitor Bhagavan, Sevaka Bhagavan, Guru Pada Padma, Gurudev, or their devotee. Mukunda Krishna is very dear, intimate to Mukunda Krishna. Is Sevaka Bhagavan, is servitor Bhagavan. Whereas Krishna is Sebhya Bhagavan. What do you say in English? Sebhya Bhagavan. Served, yes. That's your English word you say. It's my word or Sanskrit. You try to understand it. Do you understand? There are two Bhagavans. Sevaka Bhagavan, Sebhya Bhagavan. Do you understand? Servitor Bhagavan and Vishwavigraha Bhagavan, Bhagavan to be served. Do you understand? Sebhya. They are of equal level. And intimate, Nikunja, you know, Ratikeri Siddhi, Jadali Virjukti Rapekenya. This is one of the facets of Guru, is Guru Tattva, is Radha Priya Sakhi. Guru Pada Padma is Radha Priya Sakhi, is dear girl companion of Radharani, very intimate. And expert, Daksha means expert. In these activities, the activities of Sakhi. What are the activities of Sakhi? Yes, Bola?
Rendering আপনি গান বলার
Yes, yes, yes. Bolo, bolo, bolo. Huh?
গান
Yeah. Here is said in Ujjwala Nilamani. Rupa Goswami has said. It's got authority. Huh? Follow me. Vaishnava force authority. Prema Leela Viharanam Samyak Vistarika Sakhi. Understood? Huh? You know Sanskrit. You told me that you are translating. Ujjwala Nilamani. In Ujjwala Nilamani. Rupa Goswami has said. Prema Leela Viharanam Samyak Vistarika Sakhi. Visramba Ratna Peticha. That means the Sakhis. Do you follow my word? Sakhis? Girl companion, dear girl companion of Radharani. Innumerable Sakhis are there, innumerable. The Sakhis expand or manifest or spread the Prema Leela. What you say? Transcendental pastimes based on the love between Radha and Krishna. Do you understand me? My language? Huh? They expand it. They help. Huh? That leelas, they are Sakhi. Do you understand? They're Sakhi. So they are very intimate. Do you understand? Very intimate. Huh? That Guru Padma's Guru is one of the dear girl companion of Radharani is Radha Priya Sakhi. Nikunja, you know, Ratikeli Sikhi, Siddhi Jadali Virjukti Rapekanya, Tatradi Dakhyadati Vallabhas. Dakhya means very expert. Uniting Radha and Krishna in Kunja. Do you understand? The Sakhis do. Groups are there, different groups are there. Do you understand? Yes. So I am not going to tell that thing. So the reference it came up, so I asked them. So Guru is like that. So Krishna hears, then what they say. Such a devotee, because it's very intimate. Do you understand? When he says, please come down, he descends. So Guru can appear. Guru can make Lord appear, Lord Krishna appear any time, any place. If there is no time for appearance, do you understand? Avatar, how will it be? Huh? He said in Kali Yuga Krishna Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar. In Kali Yuga Krishna, no other incarnation is name incarnation, isn't it? At the end of Kali, only Kali will come. No incarnation in the meantime. How? So Guru can make Krishna appear? Huh? This is Tattva Vichar, based on Tattva. Krishna je tomar Krishna dite paro, tomar sokoti ache. Ami je kangal Krishna Krishna boli dhaye to pache pache o Vaishnava Thakur, isn't it? Huh? Narottam Das Thakur has sung this song. Oh Vaishnava Thakur, Krishna je tomar, Krishna dite paro, tomar sokoti ache. Krishna belongs to you. Huh? Oh Vaishnava Thakur, Krishna belongs to you. You can give Krishna, deliver Krishna. Nobody else can give Krishna. I am Kangal. I am a pauper. I am being bereft of Krishna. One who is really bereft of Krishna is a real Kangal. Do you follow my words? No? Are you deaf? আমি যে কাঙ্গাল, আমি যে কাঙ্গাল, হ্যাঁ কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধায় তব পাছে পাছে। As a penniless person, pauper person, runs behind a wealthy person. Baba, ek penny dao, give me 1 penny, give me 1 paisa. Isn't it? Similarly, I run behind you, oh Vaishnava Thakur, give me Krishna, give me Krishna, give me Krishna. Because I am Kangal, being bereft of Krishna. Do you follow now? Pauper. He is a real pauper who is bereft of Krishna. Understood? Understood? One who is really bereft of Krishna is a real pauper, Kangal. So he must run behind that Vaishnava Thakur who can give him Krishna, who has gotten Krishna. কৃষ্ণ যে তোমার, কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো, তোমার শক্তি আছে। ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, you have this capacity. Krishna belongs to you. You can give me Krishna. I am Kanga. I am bereft of Krishna. Kanga. Please give me Krishna. Please give me Krishna. ভক্ত আমার প্রেমে বাঁধিয়াছে হৃদয় ভিতরে, যাহা নেত্র পড়ে তাহা দেখো আমারে। চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত, হ্যাঁ, কবিরাজ গোস্বামী says, quoting Krishna's words, ভক্ত আমার প্রেমে বাঁধিয়াছে হৃদয় ভিতরে, যাহা নেত্র পড়ে তাহা দেখো। That dear devotee has bound me up in his heart. Do you follow? Bound me up in his heart by the rope of love. Rope of love is required to bind him. This rope, you cannot bind in this rope. Huh? Material thing, rope. Rope of love. Huh? You understand? He has bound him up in his heart. And Krishna, though all-powerful, almighty, cannot break that tie. No power, no power. I am powerless. I cannot break this tie, though all-powerful. Krishna, no power, he has said in 10th canto. No power, I cannot break this tie. He has bound me up in his heart, huh? With the rope of love. Do you follow? Huh? You know Billo Mangal? Huh? Billo Mangal Thakur? Huh? Billo Mangal, such a dear devotee. Ah, Billo Mangal, such a dear devotee. First he was very much attached to a prostitute named Chintamani Vesya, isn't it? Huh? Very much attached to it. A mad after that. Becomes a madman. So once Chintamani Vesya gave him a very good lesson, taught him very good lesson. Do you understand? Why are you attached to this body? What? This body contains nasty things. Huh? Bato, pito, kofo, mucus, bile, air, urine, stool, bones, huh? Blood, all nasty things it contains. What any good thing is here? Krishna is all beautiful. Huh? Madhurya ko nilaya. Huh? Kandarpakoti kamaniya vishesha sovam. His beauty far excels that of the crores of cupids. If you really be attracted to his beauty, wow, how great it will be. What beauty is there? Ugly. Why you are attracted to me? Just gave a very good song. Nice. Immediately he turned his face towards Krishna. Isn't it? Immediately. And from that moment, chanting his holy name, completely absorbed thought of Krishna, then became sadhu. And immediately he turned his face towards Krishna. Isn't it? Immediately. And from that moment, chanting his holy name, completely absorbed thought of Krishna, then became sadhu and going to Vrindavan. Isn't it? He's going to Vrindavan. Huh? Always chanting his holy name, absorbed in thought of going to Vrindavan, sadhu. On the way, he saw that a young maiden, housewife, was taking bath in a pond. Do you understand? And his eye fell on her. He stood there and gazed at her. That woman thought of his sadhu. He was going. Why he was looking at me and standing there? So immediately she finished her bath, then put on her dresses, sari, and went to her home. And he followed. Do you understand? Billamangal followed her and stood at the doorstep. Now that lady reported to his husband that I was taking my bath. One sadhu was going and he looked at me and stayed there. Then I came. Now he followed me and I'm standing at her doorstep. And her husband said, all right, if you say sadhu, sadhu means a dear devotee of the Lord. That is our understanding about a sadhu. Do you understand? A very dear devotee of the Lord. very dear, Priya, is sadhu. If someone will serve sadhu, you understand? Please sadhu, satisfy sadhu. The Krishna is pleased. Thereby you get the mercy of Krishna. All right, go to that sadhu, pay obeisances, and ask him what he wants from you and give him, please him. Do you understand? Huh? So that lady came out. Because by the permission of the husband, otherwise a married lady won't come, then she'll be condemned. She'll be unchaste lady. Not her chastity will be polluted. Do you understand? And her husband gave permission. He came out. He did something. She did something. He had obeisances and asked, all right, payment, accept my obeisances. All right, what you want? You are sadhu. So I am prepared to fulfill your desire. Please tell me. Do you understand? So as soon as he came to consciousness, oh, this I put me in such trouble. Huh? Because this I put me in such trouble. Instead of being attracted to Krishna, I was attracted to this lady. So he said, all right, give me your hairpins. Hairpin went first into the eye and blinded himself, isn't it? Huh? Then as Krishna immediately appeared there. Oh, sadhu, you are going to Vrindavan? How can you go now? You are now blind. Huh? I am going to Vrindavan. Catch hold of this stick, I'll lead you to Vrindavan. Huh? Isn't it? The Krishna led him to Vrindavan. Then appeared in reached Vrindavan. Now you are in Vrindavan. So he snatched away that stick from his hand. Do you understand? Then Billamangal said, oh, you snatched away a stick from my hand, isn't it? Can you get out from here? Do you follow my words? Huh? From the heart, can you get out from here? In Krishna Karunamrita, Billamangal Thakur has written, he has quoted that verse. Do you know? Hastangutkipya datosi balat Krishna kimadavatam hrudaya jadi nirjasi paurusam ganayamiti. That is the verse. Do you understand? Billamangal Thakur has written in Krishna Karunamrita. Hastangutkipya datosi balat Krishna kimadavatam hrudaya jadi nirjasi paurusam ganayamiti. Oh Krishna, you slipped up from my hand. Is it wonderful? Huh? If you can get out from my heart, then I will really accept you are really Purusa. Do you follow my word? Huh? Understood? That means Krishna cannot get out of here. He has bound up Krishna in heart. Bhakta ama preme bandhiya che hrudaya bhitare. Jahan netra pade. And Krishna says, no pare. Oh, I cannot break this bondage of love. Though almighty, all powerful. Do you understand? Satya Vaishnava can give you Krishna. Do you follow? Because he has gotten Krishna. Krishna says, Tomar, Krishna dite par, tomaro sakoti ache. Ami je kangal, Krishna boli, dhaito pache pache. So when Satya Vaishnava, Satya dear devotee, desires for Krishna, please decide. Krishna decides. Huh? He can make Krishna appear at any time, any place. And Krishna appears. You understand? Guru does that thing. Guru is Satya. Guru means Satya Vaishnava. Was gotten Krishna. Was bound of Krishna in his heart. With love. Only he can give Krishna. Otherwise, if someone has not gotten Krishna, how can he give Krishna? Huh? I want Krishna. I don't want anything else. And complete Krishna, Purna Krishna, not partial Krishna. 50% Krishna or 40% Krishna or 60% Krishna. No, 100% Krishna I want. Huh? I want that thing. Now who can give me? Huh? If he has got me only 50%, how can he give me 100%? I want 100% Krishna, not 50% or 40% or 60%. Huh? Now who has gotten? One who develops of prema. Do you understand? Pure prema. Gopi prema, Radha prema. That Mahaprabhu is giving. Gaura Priyojana is very dear to Gauranga. Do you understand? He has gotten Krishna. He has bound of Krishna in his heart. And he at any time, any place, make Krishna appear. That means Guru makes Krishna appear in the heart. The disciple, the devoted disciple who is devoted to Guru, a complete sacred from his heart to the heart of disciple. That is Guru's business. Krishna dite par. Krishna je tomar, Krishna dite par, tomar sakoti ache. Vaishnava Thakur, ami je kangal, dhain to. This is Narottam Das Thakur said. Do you understand? Huh? So, this is another point. This is Prabhupada Ji Maharaj has said. This yeah. According to the Varaha Puran, as quoted by Srila Jiva Goswami, there is no difference between the water of the Ganges and Jamuna. But when the water of the Ganges is sanctified 100 times, it's called the Jamuna. Similarly, it is said in the scriptures that 1,000 names of Vishnu are equal to one name of Rama. And 3 names of Lord Rama are equal to one name of Krishna. Scripture says. You will find it in Chaitanya Charitamrita, in Mahaprabhu's Leela. When Mahaprabhu was traveling and preaching, do you understand? He traveled, he went to South India, traveled many places and preached. Do you understand? In South India, while he was traveling, he met many Ram Bhaktas. Do you understand? And by his teaching, he turned them into Krishna Bhaktas. Ram Bhaktas and Krishna Bhaktas. Do you understand? Sai Savo Vaisnavo Mahaprabhuro Darsani Krishna Upasaka Hoilo Loye Krishna Name is mentioned. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela, 9th chapter, you'll find. All these Vaisnavas, the Ram Bhaktas, sing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became Krishna Bhaktas in utter name of Krishna. Many instances are there. While Mahaprabhu was traveling there, he was uttering Ram Raghava, Ram Raghava, Ram Raghava Pahimang. Bolo? Ram Raghava, Ram Raghava, Ram Raghava. Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Rakhyaman, Krishna Kesava. Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Pahimang, Rama Raghava. Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Rakhyaman. Chanting this, traveling, visited many tirthas, holy places, do you understand? And he came to Siddhavata. There was Murti Vigraha of Ram Sita. He had a darshan of that Vigraha Ram Sita, Vigraha in Siddhavata. At that time, there was a Brahmin, Ram Bhakta Brahmin. He invited Lord Chaitanya Gauranga Mahaprabhu to his house for Bhikkha, feeding, prasad. Do you understand? And Mahaprabhu accepted it, went to his house. That Ram Bhakta Brahman always uttering name of Ram, 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 Ram. He is uttering that name. Then after that Mahaprabhu went to Skanda Khetra and visited the Skanda. Skanda means Kartikeya. Then Trimatha, Bhamana Vigraha. Mahaprabhu visited Bhamana Vigraha there. Then again came back to Siddhavata. Do you understand? And met that Bhakta, Ram Bhakta, who had invited him to his house. Always chanting Ram, Ram, Ram. Now Mahaprabhu saw he was chanting Krishna, 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 Krishna. Then Mahaprabhu asked him, Tumi purbe nirantara laite nama nama. Ebe keno nirantara lo Krishna nama? You are formerly uttering name of Lord Ram. Now you are uttering name of Krishna. How? Why? Do you understand? Mahaprabhu asked him. Then that Vipra said, that Brahman said, The day I met you, had your darshan, from that day my tongue chants Krishna, Krishna. It is your mercy, causeless mercy. Huh? That we presided, mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita. হ্যাঁ, তোমা দেখি কৃষ্ণ নাম হইল একবারে, সেই হইতে কৃষ্ণ নাম জিহাতে বসিলা, কৃষ্ণ নাম স্ফুরে রাম নাম দূরে গেল। এই বলো, সেই হইতে কৃষ্ণ নাম জিহাতে বসিলা, কৃষ্ণ নাম স্ফুরে রাম নাম দূরে গেলা। So as soon as I saw you, from that moment, the name of Krishna appeared in my tongue. From that moment, and Ram Nam disappeared, now Krishna Nam is there in my tongue. As when I saw you first. And he said, from my very boyhood, I was chanting this name of Krishna. I have studied some shastras, Vedic literature, and what is Ram and what is Krishna, I know. You understand? Then he quoted Shastra. Here Prabhupada Maharaj says, scriptures he says, the Shastra is there. Padma Purana. From Padma Purana he quoted, Ramante Jogino Nanti Satyanande Chidatmani Iti Ramapadenaso Param Brahma Vidiyate. Do you understand? My Guru Maharaj quotes this verse, isn't it? Huh? Yes. Ramante Jogino Nante Satyanande Chidatmani Idi Ramapadenaso Param Brahma Vidiyate. He quoted, Padma Purana said that this yogis, those who are yogis means bhakti yogis, those who know this tattva, they understand Krishna tattva, Isha tattva, because this is tattva vichar. They know what is Ram. Ram means Ramate. Iti Ramante Jogino Anante Sattva Nande Chidatmani. Those who get pleasure. Ramante means get pleasure. Uttering the name of Ram, which is Chidatma Satyananda, which is transcendental, and get transcendental pleasure is Param Brahma, is Param Brahma. Do you understand? Is Param Brahma. Again, he quoted Mahabharata Udyaga Parva. He said, Krushi Burvachaka Sabdo Nasta Nibriti Vachako Tayaraikam Param Brahma Krishna iti avidiyate. The word Krishna is forward. Krus plus Rana is Krishna. Krus plus Rana. Krus means akarsana, attraction. Rana means pleasure, ananda. So, Krishna means all attraction and all pleasure is Param Brahma. Is Param Brahma. Payoraikyam is Param Brahma. Krishna is Param Brahma. The Ram is Param Brahma. Is said, Iti Ramapadenasam Param Brahma Vidiyate. Is Param Brahma and Krishna is Param Brahma. Then there is no difference between Rama Nama and Krishna Nama. Do you understand? Because these two are Param Brahma. Do you follow? Then he said, then again said, Param Brahma Dui Namo Samana Hoilo Punaro Sastra Kichu Viseso Pailo. Then that people Brahman said, now Ram Nam says Param Brahma, Krishna Nam says Param Brahma, then do it, all two names are Param Brahma, so equal. Again I get something more further from the Shastra. Then he says, what? Vishnu Sahasranam. You understand? He quoted Padma Purana. Again, Vishnu Sahasranam Stotra. Rama Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Bhistulyam Rama Nama Varanari. Do you follow? That's Shastra. Prabhupada Maharaj. In scripture it has been said. He quoted the scripture, Shastra. This is Shastra. Rama Rameti Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Vistulyam Rama Nama Varanani. That means Rama, Rama, Rama. Huh? Is very beautiful name. You understand? Manorama means very beautiful name. Rama means Ramana. One who chanting this name gets turns into pleasure. This is the quotation, this given, this Lord Shiva says to Parvati Devi, "Oh Parvati," and this Shiva utters this name, Ram, Ram, Ram. You understand? And Shivaji said, "I get some pleasure by uttering this name." Then it says, "Sahasranama Vitulyam Rama Nama Varanani." Oh Parvati Devi, 1,000 names of Vishnu is equal to one name of Ram. Then it says, 1,000 name of Vishnu is equal to one name of Ram. Then he says, Brahmanda Purana, quoted from Brahmanda Purana, and Srila Rupa Goswami has quoted this verse in Laghu Bhagavatamrita. Sasra namnang punyanang triravrityatu dataphalam ekavrityatu krishnasya namekam tatprayachadi. That here he says in Brahmanda Purana, and Rupa Goswami has quoted in Laghu Bhagavatamrita, that if 3 times some person will recite Vishnu Sahasranam, do you understand? That means 3,000 names of Vishnu is equal to one name of Krishna. Do you follow? That means you'll get the same result. Do you understand? If someone recites the 3,000 names of Vishnu, but Vishnu Sahasranam 3 times recites. The same result will be achieved if someone only once recites Krishna, one Krishna, he said. That means 1,000 name of Vishnu is equal to one name of Ram. Do you understand? The 3 name of Ram is equal to, if somebody utters 3 times Ram, 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 will get the same result if he utters once Krishna. Understood? This is Shastra. That Prabhupada Maharaj has quoted here in the Shastra. Similarly, it is said in the scripture that 1,000 names of Vishnu are equal to one name of Ram, and 3 names of Ram are equal to one name of Krishna. This is Shastra. You understand? This is in Chaitanya. And that Vipra quoted this thing. Therefore, Vipra says, Krishna Nam is topmost. এই বাক্যে কৃষ্ণ নামেরও মহিমা ও পারো তথাপি লইতে নারী শুন হেতু তারো. Then Vipra, that Brahman said, in this way, the glory of Krishna Nam is unlimited. I cannot express it. Apart. Tathapi loite nari. Still I cannot take it. Such unlimited thing. The reason is there. Cause is there. What is the cause? Then he said. That Vipra quoted. Isto devo ramo taro name sukho pai. Sukho paya rama namo ratri dino gai. Kintu তোমার দর্শনী যেবে কৃষ্ণ নাম হইল তাহারও মহিমা তবে হৃদয় লাগিল সেই কৃষ্ণ তুমি সাক্ষাৎ ইহা নির্ধারিল অত কহি বিপ্র প্রভুর চরণী পড়িল. You understand? Understood? You know the language. They don't know. They don't know. But you should know it. This is from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Ishtadeva Ramatar Nami Sukhabai. Sukhabai Rama Nama Ratri Dinane. Ram is my worshipable deity, Ishtadev. Do you understand? The Vipra says. So I get pleasure in chanting that name Ram, Ram, Ram. But as soon as তোমার দর্শনে দেবে কৃষ্ণ নাম হইল, তাহার মহিমা তুমি হৃদয় লাগিল। As soon as I saw you, then Krishna name came to my tongue. You understand? Huh? Then I can feel, and I understood and felt the glory of Krishna Nam from that moment. As soon as I saw you, and it is in my heart. Do you understand? Say Krishna to me sakshat yaha nirdarilo. Oto kahi vipra. Prabhu sir, you are that Krishna. Because as soon as I saw you, that Krishna name came to my tongue. So saying this, paid full dandavat at the lotus feet of Lord Gauranga, Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu, in this way he got the mercy of Mahaprabhu. And from that day, he was chanting Krishna, 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 Krishna instead of Ram. You understand? This is what in Chaitanya Charitamrita, that is it. Prabhupada has quoted this thing. And that in Shastra, it is said. So, in Tattva, there is no difference between the name of Ram and Krishna. Do you understand? Name. And Srila Jiva Goswami, who is Tattacharya, he has given Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama. Jiva Goswami. Why Krishna is said Ram? Why Krishna is called Ram? Because Ramayati iti Rama. When Ramayati Radha is Radha Raman is Rama. Jiva Goswami has said, quoted many things. Jiva Goswami has quoted, Bhaktivinoda Thakur has quoted, all acharyas have quoted. Therefore, chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. Yes, it's then Krishna, nothing else. And this is Shastra. Thank you. Mancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhyascha puttanam parubhyo